Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on assistant menu on your Android or Samsung phone. So all you have to do is just go to your settings. You can find it if you have it anywhere here, or you can swipe up and you can find the menus from here. If you're not able to find the settings, you can always go ahead and type in settings in the search and you'll be able to find it. Now you want to go to accessibility, and from here click on interactions and dexterity. Right, so once you click on that, you can easily find the assistant menu. All you have to do is turn it on and click on allow, and you'll have this menu pop up on your phone. Anywhere on your phone you go, you will have that menu there. You can always move it around wherever you want, and if you tap on that, you see that you have a bunch of different options. You can go to your recent, you can go to your home, you can go to back, you can do screen off, you can do volume, and you can manage the volumes from here. You can also go ahead and take even a screenshot on your phone if you so desire. You have a lot more menus. You can go to your menu settings, a lot more. So this is an easy way we can turn on the assistive menu, guys, so that you don't have to really touch buttons on your phone, and you can use this to do everything on your phone basically. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.